everybody wants to know, how do I get the curl closer to my head? Which I'm like, what does that mean? Like, I don't understand. So I did some testing, and I think I know what you guys mean. I can understand that if you have longer hair and you're putting the clip all the way down at the bottom, that you feel like you run out of room. Oh, can I use the beach waver myself? That would be cool, yeah. Guys, it's kind of hard to like coordinate and do videos at the same time. You feel like you run out of room before you get to your head, right? I don't necessarily have that issue, and I have super long hair, but I do have tricks in order to make it so that you feel like you're getting it closer to your scalp. One is, if you're close to your face, like anything in front of your ears should be curled back. I curl mostly all of my hair back anyway, but definitely anything that is in front of your ear line, curl back away from your face. And when you curl back, then you're gonna be able to get closer to the scalp. If you're curling forward, then you're gonna be like, ah, I'm gonna burn myself in the face. Nobody wants that. So take your pieces, clip goes in the front, and you curl. Oh, I see, I went the wrong way. No big deal, you just go the other way. Curl away from your face, so it's swooping back. And the way to know that you're doing that is by the clip being in the front, and then it goes back away from your face and not towards your face. So, and I'll show you the difference. If I was to curl it into my face, I don't even want to do this because I don't want to train my hair to do this, but you're gonna run out of room quicker because you're like, oh, I'm too close to my face. It's just, we don't want that to set, do we? So yeah, so go away from your face, and that will help you get closer to your scalp. Another thing is, if you do have super long hair like I do, and you feel like you're running out of room, here, I'll try and find a long piece for you. If you feel like you're running out of room on the barrel, one is I always leave like 2 to 3 to 4, maybe 5 inches out at the end, so I really never run out of space, but I do a drag with mine, a dragon curl, huh? So I curl, and then I let the clip go just a teeny bit, just to allow the hair to drag through it, and then I curl some more. So I like let it set, drag, and then curl some more. And that helps it move its way up the hair, and then you curl the entire piece of hair, and not just like getting a portion of it before you run out of room on the barrel. Pretty simple, huh? The dragon curl. I'm saying drag and curl, just FYI, but from now on it's a dragon curl. The dragon curl does take a little bit of practice because you don't want to let the clip go too much and let the hair out completely. So you just gonna kind of, like, you can kind of like tap, 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 tap until you let some more out, and then curl again. And that just constantly lets you keep getting it closer and closer to the head, to the scalp, which is what you guys want.